Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna tell you 10 machine learning facts that everyone needs to understand. So let's start the video. Before start, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and so let's see the first fact. So the first fact is the meaning of the machine learning is learning from the data. So people often consider machine learning as artificial intelligence, but it is not valid. Machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence which learns from the data and provide result based on the analysis. You can solve many problems by using these results. The data is provided to the right learning algorithm, which in turn gives result suitable for the users. So if you want to use the word AI for machine learning, then do it. However, people can change AI's meaning based on the requirement. So this is our first fact. So let's move toward the second fact. So our second fact is you should keep the simple models of the machine learning. So we usually think about the queries like how Netflix recommends shows or Spotify recommends us music. So well, the answer is machine learning algorithm. The machine learning train the model created from patterns in your data. It explores the possible space of models defined by parameters. But it is essential to know that we should start with small parameters space because it is too big. Then you will overfit to training data. A detailed explanation will require more calculations, but the models should be simple. However, if you have a lot of data, then you can go with complex models. So this is our second fact. So let's move toward the third fact. So our third fact is the main component of machine learning is data. And this is totally true because machine learning is basically about algorithms and data. But data is considered as the key to its success. The advancement in machine learning and the involvement of deep learning has created a buzz. But machine learning is not possible without data. You can get success without a good algorithm, but if you do not have enough and valid data, then you do not acquire excellent results. So that's why the main component of machine learning is data. So let's move toward our fourth fact. So our fourth fact is the machine learning results depend on the data you entered to train it. So machine learning concept is based on the data training. So if you enter the highly labeled information, then machine learning algorithms will define the patterns and form models according to the analysis. The result will entirely depend on the quality of the data provided to the algorithm. For example, imagine you are teaching your child to say apple, but showing the information related to the pineapple. So the child will surely give the result based on the data, which is wrong. So in this way, you need to feed the machine learning algorithms with the correct and labeled data to learn from it. So this is our fourth fact. So let's move towards the fifth fact. So poor data representation affects the working of the machine learning. So this is totally true. So machine learning never warns about the consequences of the same distribution of the training data. Well, there is no guarantee of machine learning working for data generated by the smaller training data distribution. So you must keep in mind to update your models from time to time and create skews between training data and production data. So this was our fifth fact. So let's move toward the sixth fact. So our sixth fact is data transformation is hardest part of machine learning work. So people usually have the misconception that the machine learning is limited to selecting and tuning algorithm, but it is not right. Most of the time given to the data cleansing and feature engineering. It is the reason behind companies increasing interest in a citizen data science. The cleansing of data is required to ensure data quality, and data quality is important aspect of machine learning. So this was our sixth fact. So let's move towards the seventh fact. So our seventh fact is machine learning and deep learning is not a miracle. So when you say deep learning is an advanced feature of machine learning applications area, also it automates some work traditionally and performs the feature engineering in the section of video or audio data. But deep learning is not a miracle for all your work. It is not a product which you will take out the box and use it as a part of your requirement. This technique requires the work of the data cleansing and data transformation. So this is our seventh fact. Let's move toward the eighth fact. So operators errors can affect machine learning. So this is totally true. The big misconception about the failure of the machine learning is that algorithms are responsible for it. But it is not accurate, as operator error or incorrect training data creates the mess and led to the systematic error. You will need to apply the disciplinary structure in machine learning and data entry. So this is all about our eighth fact. Let's see the ninth fact. So machine learning can create bias doom loops. So the application of machine learning is sensitive. So if the machine learning system biases into its model, then it can generate new training data that suits to biases. In some cases, biases affect the people life. So you will need be careful about self-fulfilling preferences and avoid creating them. So this is all about our ninth fact. So let's see the 10th and last fact. Our last fact is machine learning is not going to destroy humanity. So most people create an image of an AI in their mind after watching science fiction movies. They find this technology danger for humanity. We should not take these movie stories as reality. Well, the machines can learn from data, but they are not smart that they can concisely become aware like humans. For example, the car can't change the context of operations if it is carrying a saver patient. So there is no possibility now for the machines to demonstrate the world. So these are some 10 facts that are very important when it comes to the machine learning. So thank you.